In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved Facebook password using Google Chrome. This can be incredibly handy if you've forgotten your password or want to double check that you've got it right. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you don't miss a thing. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your device. It's important to make sure that you're using a version of Chrome that allows for these settings. Once you have the browser open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the menu button. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the menu button, a drop-down list of options is going to appear. You're going to want to select the option that says Settings. It might be a little further down on the list, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking this will open a new tab, directing you straight to the Settings page, where you can manage various preferences and configurations of your browser. On the Settings page, turn your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see a list of categories. Find the one labeled Autofill and Passwords and click on it. This is where Chrome helps manage the details you've chosen to save while browsing, like your passwords for various sites. Once you've done this, click on the Google Password Manager. The Google Password Manager is a powerful tool for organizing and storing your passwords securely within your Google account. After clicking through to the Password Manager, you'll want to select Passwords. This brings up a comprehensive list of all the websites where you've saved login information. There's a handy search bar near the top of the page, and this is where you'll type in Facebook or facebook.com. The search results should narrow down to just the Facebook entry. You'll see an entry for Facebook, and to the right of it, there's an eye icon. Hover your cursor over it and click. Google will double-check your identity here, so be prepared for a prompt that might ask for your device password or credentials to verify it's really you requesting this information. Once you've successfully navigated this, the eye icon will transform into a window into your password. This is the moment when your saved Facebook password will be visible to you. Just remember to store this information securely and log out of any sensitive accounts when you're done to maintain your online security. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your saved Facebook password using Google Chrome. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Stay safe online, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.